Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and accessories.
Today, we have something special lined up for you. The ATKTTOP iPad stand for desk. Let's dive right into it. The ATKTTOP iPad stand boasts an impressive array of features designed to enhance your viewing experience and provide maximum convenience.
Let's break down what makes this stand stand out. First off, let's talk about stability.
This stand is built like a tank, with carbon steel construction that ensures your device stays securely in place.
Whether you're using it with your iPad, tablet, phone, or even a portable monitor, you can trust that it won't slip or wobble.
But what really sets this stand apart is its flexibility. With 720 degrees of rotation and a height-adjustable range of 13 inches, you have unparalleled control over your viewing angle. Say goodbye to neck strain and hello to ergonomic comfort.
And when it comes to portability, the ATKTTOP stand doesn't disappoint.
Thanks to its foldable design, it collapses into a pocket-sized package that you can easily toss into your bag or pocket.
Perfect for travel or on-the-go use.
But don't just take my word for it. Customers are raving about the ATKTTOP iPad stand, praising its durability, stability, and versatility. Whether you're using it at home, in the office, or on the road, it's sure to become an essential part of your tech arsenal.
So there you have it, folks. The ATKTTOP iPad stand for desk. With its rock-solid construction, adjustable design, and unbeatable portability, it's a must-have accessory for anyone who loves their tech. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this.
Until next time, happy gadget hunting!